This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so thanks for waiting, everybody. So, last session we couldn't do due to a technical issue of GoToMeeting, and previous session what we had done, I was showing you all the concept of creation of material by using all our made when by using all our customized components we could see how to create a material in the SAP system, right? So we was left out with two scenarios of material creation, that is creating a material with reference to existing. What was the purpose I was telling? That is, if already you had created a material and you want to create some new material, company announced some new material, company launched some new material, it got the similar features like existing material. So I can copy the content of existing material and do some modifications to create a new material. That is the concept of creating a material with reference to existing copy concept, copy controls, we'll say. Using copy, how we create a material. That's one scenario. And one more is extension, material extension. That is, already we had created a material. The created material to one particular sales area, the same material to be accessed in other outlet. So extension. So first let's see these two scenarios, then we'll work on the upcoming topic info record. All right, done. That's a brief of what we had done till date and what we're going to start. So let me log into the SAP screen. Kindly wait. Now MM01. Now I give the material name Grasim-101. I'm creating a new material. All right. And in this sector, I give Grasim, what we made, Grasim textiles. And here, Grasim finished products, I'll select. And here I give the reference of Grasim Denim Ice Watch 2024, the product what we made. Right. So I'm taking the reference of my existing material to create a new material, Grasim 101. Select views, in which views you want to copy the information. I want the content of all the 16 views, so let all be selected. Click on organization levels. Now you'll get a dual organization layout here. It is asking for organization levels which you use to create existing material. It is asking the organization levels, in which organization levels the new material you want to. So here copy from, if you extract, it will show only that and those organization levels which you use to create an existing material. All right. So understand the effect over here. So I'm giving the organization levels in which I had created an existing material. Done. And here, to which organization levels, in which organization levels you want to create this new material. It can be same or it can be different, but they should be under one company code. Sir, I am practicing Grasim. I am practicing CET also. I made the CET organization levels. I want to copy the content of Grasim to CET. No, both are different companies. How? When you're implementing SAP into a company, in that company, that infrastructure, the things can be. Same activity here, even though this is a public server, you're practicing multiple companies, you cannot just exchange information. Company code change means different infrastructure, whether it can be same or it can be different. System understand as different company only. Understand this logic, please. So I give the same. My intention is to copy. How to change the organization levels, we'll see in the next step. I'm giving everything same. Continue. So the content of the existing material GRASIM 100 is as it is copied over here. Okay, now I say Grasim Denim Ice Wash 2024. I am going to change here the material group. This product belongs to, it's a kids. Rest all is same. Grasim Denim Ice Wash 2024. Kids, I'll say. That's all. And the weight, it won't be this much. I say it weighs 800 grams. So I have nothing to change in other views. If I save here, it copied till here only. So even though you don't have anything to change in other views, still you need to pass through other views. If you are not passing, it will not allow you to copy. It just copy till where you are in this screen. I mean till it, in which screen you are, till there only it copies. So keep saying enter, 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 even though you have nothing to change. Still keep moving, enter, 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 enter. Keep saying enter, keep saying enter, keep saying enter till you go to the last view, until system gives you message you are about to exit. Do you want to save the data? So yes. So that's how you copy the content of existing material and do the needful changes and create a new material. That's our second scenario. The third scenario is extension. Here the Grasim 100. Here also I give Grasim 100, same product, right? Why the same to be given? You'll understand. Click on select views, the content of all the 16 views, okay. Click on organization levels. Now here copy from in which you have. Now I am going to change the organization levels here. Now you understand how to change the organization levels. Sir, why we change? See, this product is in this plant, so I take the same plant GRAP because plant is not our intention to change. Store location GRA1, okay. Sales organization GRAS, okay. Warehouse GRW. All right. Now I'll change the distribution channel here. This product is created for initially when I was creating Grasim 100, I have taken the online store. Now the same product is accessible through offline store also. So I am taking the new sales areas, adding a distributor. Since we belong to sales module, a product is accessible through multiple outlets. So I am connecting the new distribution channel here as a concept of extension. All right. So that's the effect of clarity. Plan changing, the inventory guy will take care of. Everything can be changeable. It is not like you should. It is only effective for distribution. Module wise, they deal. A product is manufactured in one plant, it is also manufactured in other plants. So when the materials and production guy is working on this concept, they change the plant. So our main focus and effect of changing where you can see lively distribution. Continue. Or it says, see, the material already exists, will be extended. It is saying, yes, that is the intention. ఆల్రెడీ మెటీరియల్ క్రియేట్ అయి ఉంది, అది ఈ కొత్త సేల్స్ ఏరియాకి ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్తుంది. అది అదే కదా మనం చేసింది. जो मटेरियल ऑलरेडी बन चुका है वो नया सेल्स एरिया को एक्सटेंड कर रहे सो हम, तो वही बता रहा हूँ, वो ऑलरेडी मौजूद है, वो हम लोग एक्सटेंड कर रहे बोल के. यस, से कंटिन्यू, एंटर टू द मैसेज, कंटिन्यू, कंटिन्यू, कंटिन्यू. You are about to exit, do you want to save? Yes. So successfully we could see everything related to material master initially. The advanced part you will see in future when we do the shipping process. That is, you understood the applications which you use to customize the you understood the application layouts which you use to customize, which allows using which we can create a material. Okay, understand the logic here. And remember, relevant to this material master topic, what all we customized, two settings of accountings, that is global settings, posting periods, five settings of material master, they are not relevant to our module SD. So what all the other module relevant areas connects our module operations, we are touching most of them so that you understand the effect of the participation. Like if you might have been worked in a live project, the co module consultant will make a setup of all those, so you are getting experience of exposure of them also as an extra skill set. Why we are doing so? Because the updated versions don't have system defaults. So in such case, if you get an opportunity working in an updated versions or old versions, you should understand the effect of exchange of the information. So when in after this course, when you're applying for a job, you have every knowledge of the previous versions, existing versions, and new versions. If you might have worked in live project only, you'll get the connectivity and impact. So here the training program is not version point of view. The beauty of this training program is knowledge, functionality, customizing. It is same in any version. When something is there, you use it. If something is not there, you make it and use it. So you're learning everything by making your own one and using your own one. So no need to bother about the version here. That's the benefit of the training program, what I prepared, and that is the benefit of the training program, what you all as a trainees enjoying here. You will understand when you're facing an interview, you'll understand when you're working in a project, the knowledge what you're learning, the effect of it. And remember, nothing is complete. Much more things you learn as you go, keep going on kind of. But what you learn, how it safeguards you, how it boosts up the confidence in you. You get the clarity as you go. Okay, so it is a little bit harder because everything you're seeing in depth. Stretch more time and learn better so that you can survive easily in the coming future days. All right, fine. And remember, due to some technical issues or festivals or some kind of non availability, sometimes when we get a break, take that break as a benefit to you to it got a chance to go through till that happened. No, no session means to just shut down the system and go to sleep. No, start going through the previous sessions. So when you get a gap, utilize that gap. All right, fine. So that's all about your info. Sorry, material creation part. Now I want to see MM02. I go. Let me log in back. say mm02 I go. Now here I just say GRA, so it shows, okay, let me give full name, Grasim mindset. So it shows with reference to Grasim name how many materials you created. You created Grasim 100, you created Grasim 101. So I take for example Grasim 100 and I click on organization levels. So this product is maintained in how many plants? So one plant, okay. This product stock can be connected to how many storage locations? I say one, okay. Now this particular product is accessible through how many sales areas? Now comes here, extension. So this product is accessible through offline store and online store. So how many materials you created? Two, one material. You have seen the extension. What you can extend another material to another sales area also. Okay, so that's about your material creation part. Now moving forward, now you all need to understand the next particular, just a minute, topic. It is all about customer material information. Just a minute, please. Give me a minute, please. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we started working on understanding of master data, right? Till date, we're done with the organization master data. It is all about enterprise structure. Followed by we have seen the concept of customer master data. Followed by today we are done with material master data. First phase. Second phase we'll see in future as said. Now you got to understand the concept of the next topic, that is customer material information. Now here you can see the customer is involved from customer master data. The material is involved from material master data. So you get a combination. So from now you are getting into the second stage, that is using a combination. Till now one organization master data done, customer master data done, material master data one. Now you are getting into the second stage of using a combination. So here you can see how many combinations will participate. Your organization master data participate during the creation of customer material information. Your customer master data participate during the creation of customer material information. Your material master data participate during the creation of customer material information. So why I'm highlighting this? Remember one point, very very important. Please make a note of this also. The sales area, what we use to create a customer, the same to be used to create a material. Customer belong to Chennai, materials belong to Mumbai. You cannot maintain the combination of both in Inforica because many people are practicing. Many people are practicing. You may create a more number of sales areas in enterprise structure, and while creating the customer, you may pick randomly. Oh, it's my made only. I got it, kind of. And material, you may pick another one. It's quite common. But if you make such so, you cannot make a combination. Then how to fix up that? So if you made a mistake, how to fix it? So what sales area you maintain for material that to be extended for customer, because according to the customer the material will not be, according to material the customer will be. సో ఏ సేల్స్ ఏరియా అయితే మెటీరియల్కి మెయింటైన్ చేశారో అదే సేల్స్ ఏరియా కస్టమర్కి వెళ్ళి एक्सटेंड చేయండి. तो कस्टमर के हिसाब से मटेरियल नहीं बनता, मटेरियल के हिसाब से कस्टमर आउटलेट को आ रहा, राइट. सो जो सेल्स एरिया आप मटेरियल को बनाए वही आप कस्टमर को एक्सटेंड करना है. सो मेंटेन द सेम सेल्स एरिया ऑफ मटेरियल मेंटेन टू द कस्टमर. You all know how to work on extension. So what kind of mistakes you can make? You may use different sales areas. If you saw how to fix up, I told you. So when you're playing the recording, focus on this saying also. All right, done. Now, what is the purpose of this customer met information? What we made, why we made, how we made, what errors, that's all fine, but what is the purpose of it? I'll give you one general comparison so that it connects you very well. We go to shopping very frequently, yes. Where maybe let me take what you say a textiles based example only. I'm going to Shopper Stop very regularly, or I'm going to Lifestyle very regularly, or I go to Zara store very regularly, or I go to what you say Raymond showroom very regularly. Any example? Think for example, take Shopper Stop for example. So why I'm taking Shopper Stop? Because Shopper Stop is SAP implemented. So since we are doing with Grasim that is textile based, I'm taking Shopper Stop so that you understand very well. Because why again, why not we taking Grasim Shopper Stop means it's reachable to the general people like you and me also. So when our identity is created in the database as a customer, so whenever you go to Shopper Stop, your customer ID will be selected and the transaction is done, right? So frequently you are going to Shopper Stop, you are buying the regular material. Like whenever I go, I buy jeans kind of, I buy trousers kind of, I buy an ethnic wear kind of. Fine. But regularly I buy a brand of a jeans which is a little bit rare in collection. Think, I means a customer. So the company is maintaining that particular brand customers in the database as info record. So in most of the situations, that particular brand will be always fallen short of stock in some sizes. We see this, right? अरे सर आपका साइज नहीं है आए तो बोलेगा सर మీ size లేదు రాంగ్ అని చెప్తాం. You see this, right? So when an info record is maintained for a customer of a material in the database, whenever that customer step into the store for buying some product, see employees keep changing, but system will remember the customer. System will what do you say गुर्तुपట్టడం पहचान क्या बोलते हैं उसको identify the customer. So when the employee enter the customer ID during the sales transaction, by entering his customer ID and the product, system will start telling, sir, this customer is been for this many times for this is products. So the salesperson, when you see, here, sir, you always come for this product. Luckily, we have huge stock of this. Why don't you go? Even though you have no intention of buying that, but when he tells you, may opt. That's the purpose of info record. So I told you as a scenario. Now let me tell generally. We create customer material information in order to maintain the track record of a customer for a material. We create customer material information in order to maintain the track record of a material for a customer. So let us talk reverse. Now the stock got updated. Now Shopper Stop want to know who are the regular customers. Info record. By going through info record, system can present for that particular product how many customers are there. So come, they may call or send a notification so that customer can avail. So this is material point of view. Customer point of view, this customer is for how many materials already created, already in the database. Track record, history purpose. So the latest update is this info record we can map to order management. You can map the info record to order management. That means the info record what I create in master data, I am mapping to the order management so that the customer when you enter during the sales order, the material when you enter during the sales order, what info record is created, if it is showing there, the seller can make a better deal. The employee who is operating the sales counter can make a better deal. That's the intention. So usage of this is very vast. It affects the sales operation, sales execution in the company very widely. And it is improved. Earlier it was only one way, but now it is extended for initiation to the order management. So there it has an automation of presence during the sales transaction. When I say automation of presence, once the end user enters the customer details during the sales transaction for a when the sale is happening for a material, these all should be presented automatically. So how they all works, you will see lively as we go. Now let's see how to create the info record. All right, done. So let me go back to the SAP screen here, refresh. I will log in back. Kindly wait. Creation is very simple, but purpose of creation understanding is very important, and impact of its effect, where will it reflect, understanding is very important. So that is what we was discussing now till now. Now let's see the creation. So the prerequisites required to work on info record: we need to have a customer we made, we need to have a material we made. So by customizing the components of customer master data, you create a customer. Okay. By customizing the components of material master data, you create a material, which we have done. Now, logistics from SAP Easy Access, the front end, logistics, sales and distribution, master data, products, no, agreements, yes, customer material information, VD51, VD52, VD53, VD54. Create, change, and display as usual. But one extra we have 54. Why? See, creation happens one way. Creation happens one way, but we can view in two ways. If I go to 53, it is customer point of view. For a customer, how many materials are there? If I go to 54, material point of view. For a material, how many customers are there? Okay, so that's the intention of understanding. So how to work on it, we'll see now. So VD51. So here you got to give the customer ID. What is the customer ID we made? I don't remember because long back we made. Drop down. So account group GRA1. Continue. So it shows our customer ID. Mr. Ravi is my customer. 700301 is my number. GRAS, the sales organization. And G, I think I used GO. So if you give a wrong one, it will not accept. If when I say enter, see, customer 700301 was not, sorry, customer 700301 with sales organization GRAS distribution channel. GO is not defined. So I have not made with GO. So I made with GM, I think. Enter. Not even with GM, GF. Now he accepted GF. That's what I say. So GF. Now the product I've taken. When I say enter, it should give the description automatically. If you are not getting description automatically, then what happen? You will get an error. The organization levels of customer and material are different. What you should do? Solution: go to customer master data and extend the customer ID, maintaining the sales area of maintain the sales area of material maintain. So you should extend this customer with the sales area what you maintain for material. Change the customer with the sales area of material maintained, not the material up to the customer, as I told you. Then you can clear the error. Now I got the description, so I have no problem. I say continue. It will take me to the screen. What is the purpose of these all fields you need to understand. Okay, I'm going to explain briefly about these all fields lively. If I start now, hardly I may do one or two fields. In the next session, we'll understand the layout, and with the scenarios, I'm going to explain all the fields and we'll see the creation of this info record. So just understand what is the purpose of this info record, why we create, and what kind of mistakes you may make and how to rectify the mistakes. Please understand this: domain, purpose, issues. I told content in the layout, what we organize, which field is for what functionality and how it works. You will see lively. Okay, and note for you all. Please make a note. In the coming week, Monday, Friday, we have no sessions. Monday due to Holy Festival, Friday due to Good Friday. So two holidays you got. This week we had two sessions missed out, and coming week you have holiday. So hope you all might have been utilized this break time for till date and use these 2 days also. Okay, the guys who are from US, it is your Sunday evening and it is your Thursday evening. So make a note and you can plan up your time for practice or vacation. It's up to you. Suggested to plan for practice because when you practice good, your future vacation will be enjoyable. So kindly make a note of this point. Monday we have no session, and next session we are going to meet on Tuesday. And the people from US, it is on your Monday evening. Please make a note of this. Do join with the same meeting link. Till then, keep practicing. Sir, I practiced everything till date. Very good. Start again from beginning. Again, take a fresh company without seeing the recording, without seeing your return. Start working on with a new company name, enterprise structure, customer mastered it all scenarios, and material mastered it all. Keep yourself busy. Do again. It's not like you done your journey, you reach the destination. No, you're learning. ఏమి చూడకుండా చేసేటట్టు రావాలా, చూడకుండా సినారోస్ ఏంటి చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉండాలా, అవి ఏంటి, అవి ఎట్లా చేయాలి. Hands on you should be, spokeable you should be, outspokeable you should be. So by doing what? By putting on how much efforts, you understand very well for yourself. Okay, and hope everybody is downloading the recordings. Don't say that, sorry, I'm not downloading, I'm just clicking on the links. Download and keep it yourself. Once the link expired, gone. Even I can also not help you. So please make sure everybody download the recordings and save it. It's like an asset to you until you're good with the subject. All right. So thank you all and see you on Tuesday. Have a great long weekend and keep working on till date.